Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and in this video we are going to do the unboxing of the HP v295w, and this is one of the best looking pen drives from HP guys, again with that stainless steel body, and it looks really gorgeous. Also, y'all can check out the link in the description if you want to buy this pen drive for a discounted rate from Amazon. And again guys, I think this is one of the best looking pen drives, and MRP is definitely going to be higher because there are no discounts on MRP and all. So let me just remove this from the packaging, and after removing this type of flimsy plastic, we have a very dead gorgeous looking pen drive from HP, and this is I guess this is like a stainless steel body, I think so, and it is one of the better looking pen drives guys which you all can buy, and it have this kind of infused plastic inside this. And do follow us on social media guys at the rate Creative Soft, because we keep on posting videos and some updates. And if you like this kind of videos guys, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel, and please do not forget to press that bell notification icon to get any future updates whenever we upload any new video. Again, talking about the build quality, I think it is superb guys. As you can see over here, it is fully stainless steel kind of material. Again, I'm yet to confirm from HP. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this particular pen drive and the design. And it is very compact, I would say, and definitely it is a size of my upper thumb. And as you can see, it is very like a kind of mirror finish. You can even see your face, and definitely this is going to get more sort of fingerprints guys. And let me just check the build quality also of this, and this really is looking great guys in my particular case. And let me just press out and check out how whether it is strong or not. And let me know in the comments below guys again which pen drive you all are using. And for this test, I'm going to use my trusted MSI computer, and as you can see, again I can see fan and everything is getting reflected, even my fingerprints. And if I think style statement is your case, then definitely you all should consider buying this particular pen drive, because this does not look like one of those cheap plastic pen drives from HP which I did unboxing earlier. And this is definitely a solid pen drive guys, and it is just going to give a solid competition to most of the rivals. And let me just connect to the computer. I'm using the Crystal Disk Mark for doing the speed test and all. The only reason I'm not doing on a Mac, because most of my users or viewers are on Windows guys, and I'm assuming that most of y'all are going to use the USB type A connector with maybe your Windows machine or your desktop. So I think it makes a very fair comparison if I'm doing it using the USB 3.1 or 3.2 generation. And yeah, this pen drive is USB 2 again, so this will is backward compatible I guess, and I'm going to get the results anyways. So again, if transfer rate is your highest priority, I do not recommend this going with the USB 2. Also guys, before y'all even purchase any particular pen drive, y'all have to watch all the videos which are there, especially the speed test, because the company are going to claim something else, but then you are in the real life you are going to get a different kind of result. Only for this particular reason guys, I definitely recommend you all to watch all the speed test comparison. I have just fast forwarded this video so that it becomes very quick and we get results very fast. What happens with the USB 2 is that sometimes it goes in loop and takes a very long time, like 30 minutes and all, just to get the results guys. So we are going to test it out for the read speed, and when it comes to write speed, for the first instance of the bigger chunk, we are just going to get the first reading out. And again, as you can see, the read speed is sort of not so impressive guys. It is just 22.73 Mbps, but I think for a USB 2 pen drive it is sort of fast. And mind you guys, there are other pen drives like SanDisk and all, even some pen drive from HP itself, which are giving a read speed between 60 Mbps to maybe around 90 Mbps. So again, please do keep that in mind. And if you like this kind of videos, please hit that thumb button on and subscribe to my channel guys. It helps my channel a lot, because most of this pen drive are just purchased by me, and neither the HP or no other brands is sponsoring me, because my channel is not that big. And again, thanks to motivation from my viewers and subscribers, it motivates me to do this kind of content and get the speed test result, because the real benchmark guys are different from the ones which are claimed by the company. And definitely you are going to get mixed result if you are using with a Type-C connector. Also I'll be doing a maybe connecting these through the Thunderbolt, because Thunderbolt or USB 4, and giving you the fastest throughput of it, and doing a speed test for this. So my computer supports this Thunderbolt, so I'll next time when I'm comparing with one of my best pen drives from some other company, maybe like SanDisk Dual Drive Lux or something, so I'll be connecting this using an OTG connector and doing a test. So for that, just to get the notification, be subscribed guys. So maybe it will be going to come maybe this week only, so do check that out too. Also check out in the iCards, where I have given speed test of other pen drives, which y'all can find which is the fastest, and then y'all can simply buy it. Again, I have to say guys, if you're connecting this just to a TV, or y'all just have to take some minor printouts, like connecting this to your computer and then connecting to your printer or the other computer to take the printout and all, this is fantastic guys. And the write speed I would say is around 26 Mbps, which is surprising in my case, and it is quite good, decent I would say, for a USB 2. And this is it guys, this is the speed test of it. So let me know your thoughts guys, whether you are thinking of buying this particular pen drive or not. And I know most of your people are asking me whether you all can connect this in your car or the TV just to play MP3. Yes, and definitely this is one of the fantastic pen drives you all can carry with you all, because it is having this kind of stainless steel body and all guys. And yeah, it is compact enough to get hidden behind your television, so definitely recommend this. Also the read write speed, as you can see, is 22 Mbps for the read, and I think 26 Mbps for the write. And this is having one of the best looking pen drives, and you'll have to keep it clean guys, because it collects a lot of fingerprint, as you can see over here. And this is how it looks guys. And even the accent, that is the blue color, is looking fabulous. I don't think so from HP there is any other pen drive which looks as good as this. And the read write speed is quite decent guys, so y'all can go, if y'all are looking for a cheap pen drive, check out the link in the description if there are any offers and all. So this is it. And let me know if y'all are having any other queries, or I should test this with other pen drives and all. And as you can see, the light reflection is just on the next level. It just looks like it's like a sword guys, that kind of shimmery effects we are getting on this HP. Again guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as we did while creating it. Please subscribe to our channel, and also do check out these awesome videos which we have it, and hit that like button if you really like this kind of content guys. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and see you in my next video.